Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Quick round of introduction, just the name and the media house before we begin.
But when you look at those abductions, and actually we came into office at a time when there was a lot of, in December, and even before that, a lot of abductions and concern in Kenya about these enforced disappearances. But the IG came out and said, you know, they are not our officers.
On the issue of abductions, we are, of course, seized of the matter. We have been making follow-ups. We have been on it. We have been investigating. On the recent cases, the position of the authorities is that we have an ongoing investigation.